Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadim Rashid and welcome to Food Street. When we talk about Chinese food, there उसमें different variation, different styles होते हैं to make Chinese food, such as Pakistani style हो गया, Indian side पे Hakka style हो गया, and so many more, right? So इस series में I'm going to take you through all those different variation, all those different styles. सबसे पहले आज I'm going to show you how you can make egg fried rice, जो कि पाकिस्तानी स्टाइल का है. So that's the first video of this series. और बाकी चीजें मैं बाद में आपको कवर करूंगा. So let's get started. So let's continue. सबसे पहले मैंने एक wok ले लिया. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a touch of olive oil. Just a touch. So next up I'm going to add an egg. इसमें जाएगा एक अदद egg. So इस egg को हम अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे, बीट कर लेंगे. So next up, I'm gonna add gajar or carrots, जो कि मैंने fine chop की हुई हैं. That's what I'm gonna add. Carrot इसलिए ऐड करते हैं इसमें क्योंकि ये थोड़ी hard होती है and it takes couple of minutes to cook. So I'm gonna add it here. So next up, मैं इसमें थोड़ी सी rice ऐड करूँगा जो कि मैंने already boil कर लिए थे. These are about 70% done. So I'm gonna add a bit of rice. And I'm going to mix everything. So make sure आपने इसको continuously stir करना है ताकि राइस जो है वो लगे नहीं. So now इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे about half a teaspoon white pepper, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon sugar. ये तीनों चीजें इसमें जाएंगी and that's about it. उनको अच्छे तरीके से मिक्स करना है हमने. And finally, इसमें जाएंगी spring onions. Just a bit of spring onions, जो कि इसको enough color देगा. And stir it. Just stir it for a minute or two, and it's almost done. Almost ready. And I can smell the aroma. It looks amazing. Smell is great. And our amazing Pakistani style egg fried are ready. So I'm gonna do the plating, then I'll see you guys in a bit. And our Pakistani style egg fried rice are done. They look very appetizing, they look very yummy, and they're very hot. So I can't wait to give it a try. So our amazing Pakistani style egg fried rice are ready. जी आप सर्व कर सकते हैं with chili chicken, Manchurian chicken or different type of Chinese gravy. जो कि मैं series में later on I'm gonna share all the recipe with you guys. That's something you guys can give it a try. So I can't wait to dig in. Let's try. It is hot. It is amazing. It looks stunning. Outstanding. It's very simple. It's very amazing. It's very punchy recipe. There's hardly any spices, but it just feels like Pakistani style Chinese. So guys, give it a try.